I tested this 100% perfect signals strategy on TradingView, and not only is it completely free, but it's designed for beginners to use, and it's so simple. If you enjoy, then hit the like button and let's get straight into the video. I'm going to show you an awesome way to get perfect signals trading on TradingView. Millionaire traders use this method to take huge profits on the market with little risk. Let's first open up the super chart. The first part of this strategy, we are going to need a moving average. A group of powerful moving averages to be exact. Let's add step 1 to the chart, and yes, it's all free. Just wait and see how perfect its entries are later. Head up to the community scripts, search multiple EMA, add this one right here to your chart. This is the first indicator, but don't worry, we'll add the next one shortly. EMA stands for exponential moving average. I actually use this for my personal trading strategy. That's in the description if you want to check it out. But we can use the EMAs for signals as they show past market price data live on the chart. I'll show you how to do this in a moment. For the second indicator, search Bollinger Band's Stochastic RSI. It's this extreme signals one right here. Add this once to your chart and let's get into the powerful settings for this strategy. Open the Bollinger Band indicator. In the input section, change the Bollinger Band length to 10. Change the RSI length to 9. We'll also change the stochastic length to 9 and change the upper limit to 92 and the lower limit to 8. Finally, on style, untick BB basis upper and lower, as we won't be using these settings for the strategy. For the EMA indicator, keep all settings the same besides the first Expo moving average. Let's change the length value of that to 9. And now that's all of the settings sorted. We can already see on the chart that it is much clearer and the strategy is predicting trades much better. So let's jump onto the chart and see how to take these perfect trades with this strategy. But first, let me tell you about FLUX CHARTS. I wanted to sponsor today's video to show you how powerful their premium indicators actually are. I have previously tested them on this channel and had insane results, and for only the price of one takeaway a month, you could gain access to life-changing indicators and an amazing community of other like-minded traders, all the way from beginner to expert, that are making money the same way you want to. So check them out risk-free with the first link down in the description and in the comments section, and seeing exactly how much value they cram into this tiny membership fee. FLUX CHARTS has been very generous to offer you a 20% off if you use code MO at checkout. So please go check them out for yourself. And thank you again to FLUX CHARTS for sponsoring today's video. So let's get back to it. We're going to be targeting the high and low of the market. I'm focusing on the 5-minute chart. So we'll be watching for the high of price and the low of price on this time frame. But don't worry, this extreme signal indicator will tell us exactly where to enter with precision. And step 1 for this strategy is simple. We want to see price cross and close past all of the exponential moving average lines. We need to see a clear gap between the EMAs and price moving away. This doesn't need to be in one candle or be very fast, but it's important that we see the moving averages spread apart and open up the market. For a buy trade, we want to see price break to the low side and all of the EMAs fan downward. Price should be the lowest thing on the chart, and for step 2 for this strategy, we want to see the Bollinger Band's extreme signal paint on the chart at the low. That's this green triangle here, and it represents a predicted long position or incoming buying momentum. Once the candle is closed and the extreme signal is locked in, we can enter the trade. We want to place a stop loss just behind the candle's low. Make sure to give it some breathing room to allow the trade to move, especially at the trade's open. Our take profit target is simple. We can use one or all of the moving average lines as a take profit. I prefer the 20 EMA line on the 5-minute chart. No matter how far price moves from these lines, it always levels out and touches the EMAs eventually. But the further the EMA, the longer the trade will take to hit our take profit. Using the 20 EMA, at least for take profit 1, allows the risk to reward ratio to be good enough, without having to wait too long. The same applies for a short position. We first wait for price to break to the upside. The candles must be the highest thing on the chart, and the EMAs must be fanned out with space between each. Then we wait for the red triangle signal. Once this is locked in with the candle close, we can enter the trade, placing our stop loss above the candle's highest point and to target the 20 EMA for our take profit. We can take partial profit at the 20 EMA and then use the preceding EMAs as take profit 2, 3 and 4, etc. But I would only recommend doing this on a higher time frame with this strategy, like the 15-minute chart or the 1-hour chart. Okay, so it's now time to test this strategy 100 times and show the results. Please hit the like button if you want to check this out for yourself, and let's get into it. So here are the awesome results for this strategy. We managed a 74% win rate over 100 trades on a 5-minute chart. Both Forex and crypto markets had a similar result. We had 74 winning trades and only 26 losing trades, which is pretty good to see, and had an amazing gain of 586% overall. I would say this is an awesome strategy to use for quick traders, and if you prefer swing trading, then using those partial take profits at different EMA levels will really help out. But that's all for this video. Pick your favourite out of these two videos to watch next, and I will see you in the next one.